Today, it's my pleasure to give you a closer look at the exciting Ariya. Nissan has long been an innovator in electric vehicle technology, introducing the Nissan Leaf, the world's first mass production EV more than 10 years ago. Now, Ariya leverages Nissan's years of EV experience to deliver the best of Nissan's design technology and performance. As the company's first all-electric crossover, Ariya is Nissan's ultimate expression of style and technology. Ariya's dramatic styling represents a significant advancement in Nissan's design philosophy, based on what the design team calls timeless Japanese futurism. Built on an all-new platform, the body is characterized by a distinctive Japanese approach conveyed in a simple yet powerfully modern way. It's sleek, sexy, and seamless. The front of the vehicle is elegant and fresh, highlighted by a reimagined grille. Thin LED headlamps constructed with 4 mini projectors are used to reinvent Nissan's signature V-motion design. The rear of Ariya is equally striking, characterized by a steeply raked roofline that blends flawlessly into the rear deck. Rear fender flares and a high-mounted wing signal Ariya's powerful EV capabilities. Ariya's striking interior is more akin to a sleek cafe lounge on a starship rather than a traditional automotive cabin. Notice how the flat, open floor, made possible by the location of the battery at the base of the chassis, and the slim profile zero-gravity seats result in vast amounts of legroom and easy interaction between front and rear seat passengers. There's also a convenient, movable center console. Ariya's minimalist instrument panel is devoid of the buttons and switches found in conventional vehicles. The display interface features both a 12.3-inch instrument monitor and 12.3-inch center display along a single horizon. The two displays are oriented in a wave-like shape to ensure important information like battery information, range, and navigation can be easily reached and scrolled through with a single swipe. In addition, Amazon Alexa helps simplify and organize customers' lives by playing music, listening to audiobooks, controlling home smart devices, and more with just voice commands. With a preliminary Nissan estimated range of up to 300 miles and power on par with Nissan sports sedans, Ariya is the perfect partner for daily commutes and road trips alike. Outstanding handling is also an Ariya hallmark, with its 50-50 weight distribution made possible by the low center-mounted battery. All-wheel drive Ariya models feature Nissan's most advanced all-wheel control ever, called eForce. eForce is the spiritual offspring of the Nissan GT-R's legendary Atessa ETS torque split system and intelligent all-wheel drive systems, providing driver confidence on multiple surfaces. The E in eForce stands for the twin electric motor drive system, with 4 representing all-wheel control. Ariya expands on ProPilot Assist with ProPilot Assist 2.0, which uses driver attention monitoring to enable hands-off single-lane highway operation. The new Ariya is also equipped with standard Nissan Safety Shield 360, a suite of 6 active safety features available on most current Nissan models. The Nissan Ariya crossover marks a new era for electric vehicles, promising an incredibly powerful and smooth ride delivered by the latest technologies designed to support, respond, and respect the driver's intentions. Suggested MSRP in the US will start around $40,000. So that's just a quick look at the all-new Nissan Ariya, the most advanced, most connected vehicle Nissan has ever created. The future of the electric vehicle is now.